What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bill back with another video, man. And in this video, man, I finally got my hands on the Subway Footlong Oreo cookie. Now, I never tried the Footlong original cookie. The only things I tried from Subway was the Footlong pretzel, which was really like, I didn't like it, and then the churro, which was good. The churro was really good, and I decided to try the Footlong cookie. This cookie is 1,210 calories for the whole thing, and I'm feeling very big back, so I'm gonna eat it all. And then I have 2 servings of milk, 130 calories each. So this whole meal right here is about 1,400 something calories. So it meets my calorie requirement for the day. So what I have to do, man, let's get right into it. I've seen a lot of people put ice into no, stop the splashing everywhere. Alright. I've seen a lot of people like eat it like warmed up and like heated. And honestly, mine came heated, but I don't like eating cookies that are so like warm, so I let mine refrigerate a little bit. So let me bring this a little closer, like right here. Yeah. Yep. This is a good cookie, I'm not gonna lie. Dip the cookie. I'm not gonna lie, without the milk though, this cookie will probably be a little too sweet. But with the milk, it's like perfect. Alright, man, I hope you boys enjoyed the video. Man, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and rate this cookie too. If I was to rate this cookie, it's good, but I've had a lot better cookies in my life. Especially a crumble cookie. Crumble cookie is pretty good. I'll probably have to rate this an 8 out of 10. Alright. The reason I'm gonna say 8 out of 10 is because, one, without the milk, that cookie would have been way too sweet. But with the milk, with the ice too, that was a really refreshing cookie. And I low-key like crumble cookies Oreo cookie a little better. That's probably just me though. Who knows? But that was still a really good cookie. Next video, I'm gonna have to get the just original footlong cookie, because I haven't tried that one yet. Should I do that tomorrow? We'll see. You know, whatever video is tomorrow, you'll see what I have. But yeah, man, amazing cookie. Hope you boys enjoyed. See you guys in the next video, brother.